Today, we shall be preparing a Ghanaian exotic ginger drink, emudro. To prepare this, we would require some lemon, grains of salim, also known as wintia, ginger, some cloves, some honey for sweetness, and water. I've got everything that I need, as you can see, in my blender. In there I have some freshly chopped ginger, my wintia, as well as honey that I'm adding right now for that sweetness. And I'll be blending all this together, not forgetting to add the juice and zest from the lemon. Lime could be used as an alternative, remember. Zesting in juices infuses a beautiful aromatic taste to whatever drink you're making. Ensure that you make use of a non-waxed lemon or lime. You need to be very observant at the point of purchase from the market to avoid putting chemicals in the juice. Blend everything together, and then using a strainer, you sieve it. And then you have this beautiful juice that looks fruity. Go ahead and refrigerate it to whatever or however you want it cold. It becomes lighter after refrigerating because everything is now settled. Look how clear, how nice and beautiful the juice is. This recipe makes a perfectly lemony and zesty drink whereby it's not too hot as against some other drinks that are quite spicy. Although, depending on your taste buds, you can, however, make it more spicy by increasing the amount of ginger you like. The choice is all yours. Enjoy how refreshing this drink can be.